Hi, it's Dr. Fawad Mian from Neurologist MD and Prola Healing Med Spa. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the benefits of fat loss, not just weight loss, but also fat loss. Um, so with fat loss, it can become really important because if we carry excess fat, it actually creates more inflammation within our body and sets off a cascade of things that we don't want. It can even lead to things like insulin resistance. Obviously, if we have excess fat and excess weight along with that, then we're putting a lot of pressure on our joints. And so a lot of people will come in with things like back pain, knee pain, pain in the feet, and it can be quite debilitating. The other thing that also happens is that when we have excess fat, particularly if you're a male, you may have excess estrogen production too as well. So your mood can change to a certain extent. Libido can also be affected to a certain extent as well. And then obviously it leads to the other medical conditions like insulin resistance, and then leading to a whole metabolic cascade. We start getting some of the other major medical conditions that are typically there too as well. So being able to get rid of that fat, to a certain extent, now we all need like a little bit of fat in our body, but getting rid of the excess fat is really going to be key. And so one of the big treatments that we do in the office is the emerald laser. So this is actually a laser that doesn't cause any pain. There's no downtime with this. It's very safe and effective. It only takes about 30 minutes to do per session, and actually has an ability to actually target fat in different parts of the body. So that can not only be just the abdomen, the muffin top, or just that unsightly love handles that you have when you look in the mirror, but it can also be other parts of the body. It can be like your thighs, also can be your legs too as well. Can even be your arms. So it can happen. It can really help in many different ways that just traditional exercise wouldn't. So if you're actually exercising routinely, which is great, and I would encourage anybody to do, even with the emerald laser treatment, just having targeted fat loss is very difficult to do in and of itself. And so this allows us to actually target that fat loss without having to do anything extreme or really invasive for that. So it's actually like a really great treatment. And obviously, as you lose the fat, you're going to lose a little bit of weight. And ideally, what I find with these treatments is that once people start seeing a difference, they notice how their clothes fit. They notice how their dresses fit. They not only feel better about themselves, but then they're more motivated to do other things. So that's also eating better, which I'm always encouraging people to do, and getting plenty of exercise, hydrating yourself. And then once you start feeling better, your disposition is better. Your interaction with other people are better. So it leads to a lot of good things too as well. So I like it as a good springboard to help you get healthier in the long run. So it's actually a great treatment. If you have any more questions about this treatment, please reach out to our team. You can also subscribe below too as well, and we'd be happy to answer any of the questions that you have.